In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on Stockx 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your order, contact the right team, and submit a clean, well-documented refund request that gets attention quickly. Start by opening your browser and going to stockx.com. Sign into your account so you can access your purchases. If you use two-factor authentication, go through that as usual. It helps to have your order number handy before you begin, but you can also grab it from your account in a moment. Once you're in, go to your profile at the top of the page and choose Buying. This is where your order history lives. Open the specific order you want help with. Double check that you've selected the correct item, size, and date, and skim the order details so you're confident you're working on the right purchase. From that order page, look for the Get Help or Contact Support option. That opens Stockx's support flow. You'll be asked to choose the issue that best matches your situation. Commonly damaged item, wrong item, or an authentication issue. Pick the most accurate category so your request routes to the right team and avoids delays. Damaged item covers defects or harm that occurred in transit or wasn't disclosed. Wrong item applies when what you receive doesn't match the listing, such as a different size or color. Authentication issues are for items you believe may not meet StockX's authenticity standards. Next, fill out the form carefully. Enter your order number if it isn't already included. In the description, be clear and concise. State what happened, when you noticed it, and exactly how the item differs from what was expected. Strong photos make a big difference here. Take clear, well-lit shots from multiple angles, including wide photos that show the entire item and close-ups of any issues like scuffs, stitching problems, mismatched tags, or box damage. Make sure images are sharp and not blurry so the issue is obvious at a glance. Before sending, review everything. Confirm the order number, the issue you selected, and that your explanation and photos line up. When you're ready, click Submit. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Save it for reference. Response times are typically 24 to 72 hours, so keep an eye on your inbox and your spam folder just in case. If support asks for more information, reply in the same thread and include any additional photos they request. While you wait, don't dispose of packaging or tags, as they may be relevant to the review. That's it. Log in, open the order, contact support, document the issue clearly, and submit. Taking a few extra minutes to be thorough can significantly speed up your refund.